Hey friends, so going over the different tools here, and I'm just going to show you how to drill a hole in a piece of wood. So this is with a DeWalt drill I'm using, and to loosen it, you can push this left button, left for loosey. If you're looking at it, left side, right side, you want to hold on here and gently open that. That'll allow this to open all the way. You see it inside, and if you hit the right button there and hold that, it tightens it up. So this is the left button right here. So we're gonna put our drill bit in there, click the right button, hold this, go kind of slow. There you go. All right, so to drill a hole, find out where you want to drill your hole, and basically make sure it's in the right. If it's not drilling, make sure or it's righty tighty. So right goes in. Okay, if it's skipping like that, a lot of drills have the adjuster right here, torque adjuster, this one right here, and this will skip. If you have it like a loose one, it'll skip and not get stuck or whatever. So if this one actually says it has a drill bit right there, well, it's kind of faded now, but that way it's not going to really skip. So back we go in, just like that. So if you are trying to drill and for some reason, man, it's just not working, make sure that it is on the going the correct way, because if there's your difference between this is on the wrong way, that's left for loose, and right for tight if you're driving a nail or screwing in a hole or making a hole. That's obviously the right way, and left is wrong. Okay, so that's how to use your drill to drill a hole in some wood or whatever. Thanks for watching.